Hi friends, are you able to guess what is this? Yes, this is an inverted image of a candle flame which is formed by a pinhole camera. So today, let's learn how to make a pinhole camera at home with easy steps. Now I have taken a small cardboard box, glue, some tape, a scale, a pencil, a knife and a scissor. And not to forget the tracing paper. This tracing paper will act as our screen. You can also use butter paper if you don't have the tracing paper. So I've wrapped the box with tape, as you can see, so that light cannot enter through it. I have wrapped all the ends. You can see it. Now, using my ruler and my pencil, I'm going to take some measurements. Now we are going to cut it. Now I am going to wrap the box with white paper. As it is my school project, I can't do it with color paper. Okay, now I have cut the tracing paper in a shape of rectangle and I am going to stick it with tape right here in this hole. Now I am going to its opposite side and I am going to pierce a hole at the center with the help of a needle. One hole is enough. You have to pierce it right at the center, like this. Okay friends, so now our pinhole camera is ready for use. Let's test it. So I have lighted a candle and I am switching off the lights. Now I will take my pinhole camera and place it in front of this flame. Make sure that the side in which there is a pinhole, you have to place it near the flame. So I'm going to adjust it. Are you able to see the flame, guys? It is reversed. Look carefully. Are you able to see it? It's reversed. The pinhole camera is an example of rectilinear propagation of light, which proves that light travels in a straight line. This diagram can help you learn more.